14th at 11:33 a.m. and I just got back from a good run. I only did a mile today, but the bright side is that's one more mile than what I did yesterday. So I'm trying to get back in the habit of really working out every day besides just walking. I've allowed myself to fall into a rut, and I need to start working out more on my legs, chest, and arms, and including more running throughout the week than what I've been doing, which is nothing. So I'm still here in Warner Robins at Georgia, and I'll be here until Friday morning. I'm here for a couple of days visiting family and friends, and then tomorrow I will do a speaking engagement at an elementary school. That should prove to be fun, so I'm looking forward to that. It's a beautiful day to be alive. There's not a cloud in the sky. It's about 60 degrees. It's gorgeous out. It's an incredible day. Well, I'll make this short and sweet and get myself back inside, shower and relax, and answer some emails and update everybody on Facebook. Thank you all for your support again. Keep the words of encouragement coming. Keep me in your prayers. And we're still on track to reach Atlanta on March 27th. So looking forward to that. To my baby girl, mwah, Daddy loves you very much. Until next time, Semper Fi.